Shocking new revelations in the Sagar Rana murder investigations. After Delhi police started probing the case, it's come to light that this could well be a crime of passion and may not just be over unpaid rent. According to sources, gangster Kala Jatedi's nephew Sonu Mahal was staying with his girlfriend at Sushil Kumar's Model Town flat in Delhi. And this became a bone of contention between wrestler Sushil Kumar and Sagar Dhankad and Sonu Mahal. Sushil Kumar may have objected to the girl staying at that rented accommodation, and the same day there was a fight with Sushil Kumar over the girl staying at that flat, which incidentally is in wrestler Sushil Kumar's wife's name. It now transpires that they grabbed Sushil Kumar's collar during a tiff. And this was an argument which got heated up. After this argument, Sushil Kumar is learned to have lost his temper. There was a brawl which escalated into what ultimately became a fatal fight at the Chhatrasal Stadium. And this resulted in the death of that budding wrestler, Sagar Dhankad. Now, Sonu Mahal too was roughed up, allegedly with the help taken of gangster Neeraj Bhavana. Now, the police are investigating this matter. They want to trace this mystery woman and figure out what was her role in this crime. The Delhi police have also dispatched a team to Haridwar because apparently after this crime, when the Delhi police team reached Chhatrasal Stadium, everyone split up, and the main accused in this case, wrestler Sushil Kumar, went to Haridwar with some friends. India Today's Arvind Ojha now joins me for more on the story. Arvind, दिल्ली पुलिस इस महिला के बारे में क्या बता रहे हैं? कौन है ये महिला और इसकी क्या भूमिका थी इस पूरे प्रकरण में?
जी देखिए, अभी तक गौरव जो ये पूरा सागर हत्याकांड है, इसमें मोटिव क्या है ये पुलिस को अभी तक पता नहीं चल पाया है। सुशील भी जांच के दौरान अलग अलग बातें बता रहा है, लेकिन ये एक जो अहम जानकारी दिल्ली पुलिस को मिली है, दरअसल मार्च के महीने में मॉडल टाउन इलाके में ही जहां सुशील का पहले फ्लैट था, वहां पर एक पार्टी ऑर्गेनाइज किया था सोनू महल, जो कि एक दिल्ली के कुख्यात गैंगस्टर काला जठेड़ी का भाई है। और वहां पर पार्टी थी, लड़की फ्लैट में थी, लेकिन सोनू उस वक्त फ्लैट में नहीं था। तभी जो सुशील के साथ जो एसोसिएट अजय अरेस्ट हुआ है, वो उस दौरान उस फ्लैट में पहुंचा था। उसने लड़की के साथ बदतमीजी की थी, जिसके बाद सोनू को ये जानकारी मिली थी। सोनू ने और सागर ने सुशील को और अजय को काफ़ी धमकी दी थी। उसके बाद से ही दोनों में काफ़ी ज़्यादा विवाद हुआ था और वो विवाद दिन ब दिन बढ़ता चला गया और नतीजा ये हुआ कि सुशील ने सागर की हत्या कर दी पीट कर। तो पुलिस अब इसी एंगल को आगे बढ़ा रही है कि क्या ये मोटिव हो सकता है या नहीं हो सकता है। लड़की का भी पता लगा रही है दिल्ली पुलिस की क्राइम ब्रांच की टीम, लेकिन जिस तरीके से कोई सर्टेन मोटिव नहीं है, क्योंकि सुशील कुमार का ये कहना है कि उसने जान से मारने के लिए उसको नहीं मारा था, सिर्फ उसका पीटना मकसद था, इसलिए लड़के बुलाए थे, लेकिन मोटिव अभी तक क्लियर नहीं है। इसी दौरान ये जानकारी मिली कि मार्च के महीने में ये पूरी लड़ाई हुई थी फ्लैट में, जब लड़की को बुलाया गया था पार्टी के लिए। उसी दौरान अजय जो था उसने उस लड़की के साथ बदतमीजी कर दी। तो क्या ये एक मोटिव हो सकता है? इसी मोटिव के तहत इस पूरे मामले की जांच की जा रही है। क्राइम ब्रांच की टीम ये कोशिश कर रही है कि उस लड़की से भी बातचीत की जाए। गौरव,
आप इस बड़ी खबर पर नजर बनाए रखें। ताजा जानकारी के लिए फिर मैं आपके पास लौटूंगा। वेयर इज दिस मिस्ट्री वुमन? दिल्ली पुलिस स्टिल ट्राइंग टू गेट टू हर टू गेट मोर डिटेल्स about this crime. But there is more trouble for murder accused Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar. The Delhi Police Crime Branch has now taken him to Haridwar in an effort to piece together the missing links in this high-profile Sagar Rana murder investigations. Now, stringent MCOCA, Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act, may be slapped on him. We bring you this report.
The fall of a mighty wrestler, two-time Olympic medalist, is now a murder accused. On May the 4th, Sushil Kumar allegedly killed fellow wrestler Sagar Rana in a brawl and fled to Haridwar soon after the incident. Delhi Police Crime Branch has now taken Sushil to Haridwar to complete the timeline of the high-profile case. Police say that Sushil's mobile phone, which is yet to be collected, holds crucial details about the case. Videos recorded during the fight, who all Sushil WhatsApped, including contacts with gangsters and other call details, will prove to be crucial evidence against the wrestler. It is believed that Sushil disposed of his mobile phone in Haridwar while he was on the run.
The Delhi police is gathering circumstantial evidence along with concrete evidence to make a watertight case against Sushil Kumar. The investigators also suspect that Sushil Kumar might have disposed his clothes in Haridwar, possibly containing DNA of Sagar. The police is also probing that who was the person who gave refuse to Sushil Kumar after he fled from Delhi immediately after beating Sagar, who later died in hospital.
Sources have confirmed to India Today that Sushil has been uncooperative so far and has stuck to his statement that he only beat up Sagar and killing Sagar was not his motive. But the proof is mounting. The video of the May 4th assault shows Sushil with gangsters. Pictures have also linked him with criminals, and that's why the Delhi police is cracking the whip. Delhi police is reportedly planning to slap stringent MCOCA charges against Sushil over his involvement with gangsters. According to Delhi police, Sushil Kumar was in touch with gangsters like Kala Jathedi and Neeraj Bhavana. During the murder of Sagar Rana, Sushil also beat up the nephew of gangster Kala Jathedi. This led to a rift between Kala Jathedi and Sushil Kumar. Delhi police sources also say that gangster Bhavana's henchmen are suspected to have accompanied the Olympian on May 4th.
After slapping off MCOCA in Sagar Dhankar murder case, the police will not only get extension in filing charge sheet, but it will also be able to ask for maximum punishment against Sushil Kumar and other accused during the trial of this case. It will also become very difficult for Sushil Kumar to get bail in the case.
And that's not the end of the troubles for Sushil. Another person has now accused him of assault, a shopkeeper claiming that he was beaten up black and blue by the wrestler.
छुटते मेरे सुशील कुमार जी ने 2-3 हाथ दिए, जैसे ही उन्होंने हाथ दिए ऐसे सारे जो 30-40 पहलवान वहाँ 50 खड़े थे सबने मारना शुरू कर दिया, मेरे को तो फुटबॉल बना दिया। सबसे पहला हाथ सुशील ने मारा था मेरे।
Sushil Kumar has been evasive and in denial over the murder charges against him, but the evidence against him is piling up, not just in the murder of Sagar Rana, but also for his alleged close ties with the deadliest gangsters of Delhi. With Munish Pandey in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
And in more trouble for wrestler Sushil Kumar, a shopkeeper has alleged he was thrashed by the Olympian when he wanted to get his dues. The shopkeeper has claimed he had supplied rations worth 4 lakh rupees to Delhi's Chhatrasal Stadium where Sushil Kumar trained. He said when he asked for the money, he was first beaten up by Sushil Kumar and then by his accomplices.